Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. And today's episode, we are going to see few more questions under the episode revision of 3 marks questions. Friends, this is the part 8 and previously we have uploaded 7 parts and the links of all these 7 parts are provided in the description box below. Watch all the 7 parts so that you will get an idea which type of questions are being asked for 3 marks and how to deal with such questions. Also, I request you to download the PDF from the description box in which the links of the revision type videos are given. Watch all the videos and revise the topic. Now let us move to the first question of today's episode. First question is that a card drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of playing cards. Find the probability that the card is a card of the spade or an ace, B, a black king, and C, neither a jack nor a king. Friends, here from a well shuffled deck of playing cards, one card is drawn. And we have to find the probability that the card is a card of spade or an ace. In a deck of playing cards, there are 13 spade cards and 4 ace cards. All the 13 spade cards are favorable. Out of these 4, one is spade card, spade king, and that king of spade is already counted here. So only 3 will be favorable. So the total outcome, that is equal to 52 cards, because there are in all 52 cards and any one out of this 52 can be drawn, and therefore the total outcome will be 52. And the favorable outcome, that will be equal to this 13 and this 3, that is 13 cards of spade and 3 kings, excluding the king of spade because it is already counted here. So the total favorable outcome will be 16, and therefore the probability of getting a card spade and ace or ace, that will be equal to favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So that will be 16 by 52. So it will be 4 4s are 16 and 4 13s are 52, that is equal to 4 by 13. Now the B question is there. B question is that a black king. How many black kings will be there? There will be 2. One of the club, one of club, and the other will be of spade. So one king of club and one king of spade, that there will be 2 kings that are favorable, and so of course the total outcome will be the same, that is 52, because there are in all 52 cards. And a black king, there are 2 black kings, and therefore the favorable outcome, that will be equal to 2, and therefore the probability of getting a black king, that is equal to favorable outcome, that is 2, divided by the total outcome, that is 52, and which is equal to 1 by 26. Now just take the C question. C question. Neither a jack nor a king. Neither a jack nor a king. So here jack, how many jacks are there? 4 jacks are there. And how many kings are there? 4 kings are there. So in all 8 are not favorable to us, and rest of all will be favorable to us, and therefore the total outcome, that will be equal to 52, and the favorable will be 52 minus 8. And 52 minus 8, that will be 44, and therefore favorable outcome, that is equal to 52 minus 8, and that is equal to 44. And so the probability of getting neither a jack nor a king, that will be equal to probability of getting neither a king nor a jack, that will be equal to favorable outcome, that is 44, divided by the total outcome, that is 52, and that is equal to 11/13. Now let us move to the next question. A cone of height 20 cm and radius of base 5 cm is made up of a modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere. There is a cone of height 20 cm and radius of base is 5 cm, made up of a modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of sphere, and we have to find the diameter of the sphere. Friends, remember that when we change the shape from cone to sphere, or sphere to cylinder, or cylinder to cone, remember one thing, that the volume remains constant. And since volume remains the same, even though we change the shape, we can say that the volume of the cone, that is equal to volume of the sphere. Here h is equal to 20 centimeter, and radius of the base of the cone is given as 5 centimeter, and the radius of the sphere, let it be r1 centimeter, and therefore the volume of cone, that is equal to volume of sphere. Since both the volumes are equal, the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r1 square h. Here we are taking radius of cone as capital R, so it will be r square h, 1/3 pi r square h, which is equal to volume of sphere, that is 4/3 pi r1 cube, because we have taken r1 as the radius of the sphere. Now here you see that pi and this pi will get cancelled, this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and so r square h, r is what, 5, its square will be 25, into h is 20, which is equal to 4 into r1 cube, that we have to find. So 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, and therefore 25 into 5, that will be 125, which is equal to r1 cube. And taking cube root of both the sides, we will get r1 is equal to 5 centimeter. Highlight this answer, that radius of the sphere is equal to 5 centimeter. Always highlight the important steps, because examiner first checks what is r1, and he checks the formula what you have used, and therefore at the end write the answer, that the radius of the sphere is 5 centimeter, but what is asked, we have to find the diameter, and therefore diameter of sphere, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Now let us move to the next question. Here is the question, that the 19th term of an AP is equal to 3 times its 6th term. If its 9th term is 19, find the AP. So friends, here it is given that the 19th term of an AP is equal to 3 times the 6th term. 19th term, and therefore A19, which is equal to 3 times of 6th term, that is 3A6. A19 we can write as A plus 18D, that is equal to A6 we can write as A plus 5D, and so here it is A plus 18D, that is equal to, multiply by 3 inside the bracket, so it will be 3A plus 15D. So take 15d to this side, so 18d minus 15d, that will be 3d, which is equal to, take a to this side, it will be minus a, so 3a minus a, that will be equal to 2a. And therefore, friends, d is equal to 2 by 3 into a. And so here we have got d in terms of a as d is equal to 2 by 3a. Highlight this. Now it is also given that ninth term is 19, but it is given that but ninth term, that is a9, which is equal to 19, and a19 is written as a plus 8d, which is equal to 19. But here d is equal to 2 by 3a, so it will be a plus 8 into 2 by 3a, which is equal to 19. And now multiply by 3 throughout the equation so that there will be nothing in the denominator. So 3 into a, that will be 3a, plus 8 2s are 16a, which is equal to 19 3s are 57. Now here 3a plus 16a, 3a plus 16a, that is equal to 19a, which is equal to 57, and 19 3s are 57, and therefore a is equal to 3. So we have got a is equal to 3. Highlight this because this is the first term of the AP. Now you can find the d. What is d? D is equal to 2/3 of a. Correct? Here we have calculated 2/3 of a. So d will be 2/3 of a. A is 3. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and it will be d is equal to 2. You have got the value of d as 2. Now you have to write the arithmetic progression. So the required arithmetic progression will be AP is equal to the first term is 3 and a common difference is 2, so go on adding 2. So 3 and 2 will be 5, 5 and 2 will be 7, 7 and 2 will be 9, and so on. Friends, now here we will stop. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.